Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. 32 times 59 is our first example problem. And I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So step 1, we are going to multiply the digits in the ones place. And then if our product is 10 or more, we will regroup. So 2 times 9 equals 18. That product is more than 10, so we're going to have to regroup. The 8 and 18 is going to go in the ones place. The 1 and 18 is getting carried over to the tens place. 3 times 9 equals 27. We have to add the 1 that we carried over. 27 plus 1 equals 28. So far we have multiplied 32 times 9. Next, we have to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Two times 5 equals 10. We have to regroup there. The 0 and 10 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 10 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 3 times 5 equals 15, plus 1 equals 16. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 8 plus 0 again equals 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Shout out to the person that just hit the like button. I appreciate you. And we have our final answer. 32 times 59 equals 1,888. All right, moving on to our next example problem. Thanks again, man. I appreciate you. God bless. Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, 43 times 28. So we are starting in the ones place. 3 times 8 equals 24. We have to regroup because our product is more than 10. So the 4 and 24 goes in the ones place. The 2 and 24 gets carried over to the tens place. 4 times 8 equals 32. We have to add the 2 that we carried over. 32 plus 2 is 34. Next, we got to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since we've already multiplied the 2 digits in the ones place, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. 3 times 2 equals 6. We do not need to regroup there because our product is less than 10. We only regroup if our product is 10 or more. 4 times 2 equals 8. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4, plus 8 equals 12. And we have our final answer. 43 times 28 equals 1,204. All right, next example problem. 98 times 79. 98 times 79 is our next example problem. So we start in the ones place. We always start in the ones place. 8 times 9 is 72. 2, carry the 7. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 7 is 88. Next, we're putting a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. Now we're multiplying the top two numbers times the bottom digit in the tens place. 8 times 7 equals 56. 6 carry the 5. 9 times 7 equals 63. Plus 5 equals 68. Now to find our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Plus 1 equals 17. 7 carry the 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. And we have our final answer. 98 times 79 equals 7,742. All right, next example problem, we have 36 times 24. So we're starting on the ones place. 6 times 4 equals 24. 4, carry the 2. 3 times 4 equals 12. Plus 2 equals 14. 4, carry the 1. I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place now since both digits in the ones place have been multiplied. 6 times 2 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. Sometimes before you take 5 steps forward, you got to take 2 steps back. I lost my train of thought. I'm going to start that one from scratch. Because I've definitely lost my train of thought. Got to keep your mind on the task at hand. Stay focused. That's what I tell my students. 6 times 4 equals 24. 4 carry the 2. 3 times 4 equals 12. Plus 2 equals 14. Now before we multiply the top two digits by the bottom digit in the tens place, we're putting a 0 in the ones place because we already multiplied both digits in the ones place. 6 times 2 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 3 times 2 equals 6. Plus 1 equals 7. 144 plus 720. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 1 plus 7 equals 8. And we have our final answer. 36 times 24 equals 864. All right, moving on to the final problem of the video. $69 times 52. 9 times 2 equals 18. 8 carry the 1. 6 times 2 equals 12. Plus 1 equals 13. Putting a 0 in the ones place because we multiply both digits in the ones place. 9 times 5 equals 45. 5 carry the 4. 6 times 5 equals 30. Plus 4 is 34. Next, we're adding these two numbers together to get our final answer. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 0 plus 3 equals 3. And we have our final answer. 69 times 52 equals 3,588. All right, that is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off. Shout out to everybody that tuned in, commented, and viewed this video. I appreciate you.